Hello and welcome to my channel. Yesterday, Ribbon Fabrications built me this. It's a brand new workshop for me to work on, so here's what they did for me so far. They installed a fully galvanized frame, bespoke to the size, my requirements and what I had to work with. They screwed it directly down to the existing concrete. This wasn't straightforward, as that concrete is designed to have a 60-degree fall into this aqua channel to run the water away. They overcame this by making brackets specifically to the correct size to raise one side of the workshop up. So although the concrete is at an angle, the workshop is straight. This saved me money, so I didn't have to put in a dedicated concrete base. They used plastic coated high quality sheeting for the walls, sides and trim. This was available in a choice of colours. They installed a plastisol coated non-drip roof. They fitted high quality double glazed windows, one fixed and one opening. And lockable. Even at this stage, I have no trouble recommending Ribbon Fabrications. The precision, efficiency and dedication to doing the best job possible was astonishing to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.